A new feature has been added to DeMI, the Save Cart function. With this feature, you can start building a shopping cart, and if for some reason you need to log out of DeMI, you can save your cart and access again later. Once you access your saved cart, you will need to add the material from the saved cart to a new shopping cart by using the Add Configuration line. Please note that the Resume Order button is currently not active. You can also duplicate an order or a quote. To do this, you will need to access All Orders or Quotes. Select the order or quote you want to duplicate, then click the Quick Convert button and choose your order or quote. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.